Hello everyone, as you can see, we're back. We've got the other 3 Star Wars The Black Series figures that were Target exclusives from the Clone Wars. Hopefully you guys were able to get a hold of them. If you weren't, I understand. I had to drive quite a ways and I was only able to get them because the Target that I went to was actually enforcing 1 per customer. That's so awesome. They actually had to get approval in order to let me go ahead and get all 4 of these because the person thought that you could only get 1 of the 4. So luckily the manager was nice enough to let me get all 4, which is what you should do. But anyways, so what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and unbox 1 of these 3. We're going to do it randomly with the help of one of our digital assistants. In our last video, we went ahead and unboxed Anakin here. I'll go ahead and put a link up here if you want to see that video. All right, so this is Hawk is going to be number 1, Echo is number 2, and Kenobi is number 3. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 3.
Your random number between 1 and 3 is 1.
All right, it is going to be Clone Pilot Hawk. That is not what I was expecting, but awesome. All right. Cool. So we're going to go ahead and unbox Hawk today. What we're going to do is obviously we'll have Anakin in just a moment. We'll go ahead and compare that. But what we're going to do is go ahead and take a look at the outside of the container here for Hawk, and we'll be right back. All right, so what we're going to do first is we'll look at the outside of the box here. I really like these boxes, or these hangers, or cardbacks, or whatever you want to call them. I especially like the Clone Wars armor on the back. I'm not keeping these just because, I don't know, just for me, I can't really collect these cardbacks very well. I do like the figure here of Hawk there. On the back, we've got commemorate the first 50 years of Lucasfilm with figures inspired by Star Wars, the Clone Wars. I really like what they're doing for the 50th anniversary. They're doing a great job. All right, so what we're going to do first is we'll go ahead and take them out. I think from the last one, this is really the best way that I found to get them out. Just go along there. Just make sure your knife is sharp enough and you should be fine. That comes out. Go ahead and leave that just like that. Get the paper there. We've got a blaster for Hawk. And then the figure himself. All right. All right, we'll be right back and we'll take a closer look at Hawk. All right, so first thing here, we've got the blaster. This is really nothing to talk about too much. It's pretty much a standard blaster. It is plain plastic. There's not much to say about it. But what there is to talk about is, of course, Hawk here. I mean, he looks awesome. Very happy with this. You know, he's got the Clone Wars armor, as you would expect. But of course, he's got the pilot articulants, or I'm saying that wrong. I don't know. Anyways, I'm tired. I got up way too early this morning to pick these guys up. All right. So as far as the helmet is concerned, I mean, that is awesome. I really hope Hasbro does a Black Series helmet, either like this or, one of the Clone Wars figures, especially a pilot. I mean, they're so awesome. So anyways, movement on the head, that's down, that's up. I would be very careful with these guys because I tell you, they want to come out. We do have a little bit of head tilt, which is better than I was expecting on this guy. Arms, no problem going all the way up. We do have upper arm as well as, okay, so it's just the upper arm that we've got the movement on. Nothing at the elbow. The elbow, however, has very good movement. Super good movement there. And hopefully both of them are like that, which is good. It's got the double elbow. You just got to be super careful because I've seen these pads here. These will break. I don't know. This isn't as bad as some of the other ones. I could be wrong. All right. And this guy goes left and right. This one is an up, down. I'm glad they're opposites. Torso has good movement. The belt is not attached, which is good. We've got movement on the upper thigh, double knee, and that's really it as far as Clone Pilot Hawk is concerned. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take some pictures, and we'll be right back. All right, so I think that was a really good look at Clone Pilot Hawk. I don't really have anything bad to say about him. I think he's a good looking figure. I'm looking forward to adding him with the other Clone Wars figures that we've got. He's really going to look good up against Echo, of course. So I'm looking forward to seeing how that looks. But yeah, so this was number 2 in the series here. If you have any questions about the figure, make sure you ask down below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. The other thing I would say, though, is that I really wish that blaster would be just something special. I mean, it's just blah. You know, for a 50th anniversary, you want it to be something special. But you know, at least we got them. I did like the little bit of battle damage that you've got in the upper armor area, you know, like right in here. And I think we've got it right over on this side as well. So anyways, with that, what we're going to do in the next 2 videos, we've got 2 more of these Clone Wars Target exclusives, and we will definitely be unboxing those. If you missed the Skywalker one, make sure you watch that one. And, you know, go ahead and subscribe to the channel to be able to see the other 2. And with that, have a great day.